This is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. Whenever I go to Dollar Tree, I always like to get things that I can craft with. So I had went into my local Dollar Tree and I was looking for some yellow flowers. I originally was just going to get yellow flowers and then that was it. So that's for a project. But I found these butterflies instead, and I thought, you know what, this would be perfect. It's actually called onion grass, and it's got the little yellow butterflies attached to the top. And I don't know, there's something about yellow and green right now that has really caught my eye, so that's how I'm feeling right now. But these are so adorable. So this is what one pack looks like. This one has 4 yellow butterflies attached to it. And this one has, I think this only has 3, I believe. Let's see. Nope, it's got 4. It's just a little bit tangled up. This is like it has almost like a light green. It's kind of a light green and yellow with little bits of like a brownish or burnt orange color in there. So I thought this would be perfect for the project that I'm going to be working on. Of course, I couldn't just get that one thing. Nope. I had to go over to the sticker section, and this is what I found. I thought these would be so cute. And since I've been really into making mini albums and mini books lately, I thought these would be really, really pretty. Look at that. This would be a nice layout. And there's 40 counts of stickers on here. Now look at this. Once again, shapes. Look at the shapes on here. I can use these to make some templates for a shape. Look at this. Look how adorable that is. Look how cute. I'm looking at the shapes of these now. Even this has this nice shape right here. So that's what I'm looking at. I can cut some of these out and trace them as templates and then use them in a project. Or I can cut out some decorative paper or trace these onto some decorative paper and use that to do some decorating or some card making. But this is so adorable. Look at this, tags. There's a tag shape. I think this can be used as a tag as well as this. But look how the colors are just so pretty. So I like that. I love that kind of like a green and not like a deep blue and the brown, just and the orange. That looks so pretty. And then it has life is good. I love words and enjoy your life and of course love. So I had to pick this up. And for $1 and you get 40 of them, it's perfect. And it looks like, wait a minute, it looks like there's more than one sheet. Looks like there might be 2 sheets in there. Yep. Okay, and I have picked these up before, but I wanted to show you. I've been using these in projects and they're so convenient. So if you get to your Dollar Tree and you see these, you need to pick up. Now I'm looking for the white ones, the white pearl. I haven't seen those yet, but I keep going over there and checking and hoping that they get the white pearl ones. But this is like a blush pink pearl. This is the blue or light blue pearl, and the kind of a this is more of a bright pink. So if you grab these up, there's 216 in a pack. I think it's a great bargain. Let's see, I think I got more of these too. Let's see. Yep, found some more. Here's some more that I got at Dollar Tree. Let's see. Yep. So I got a bunch because I really need them. I like the pearl projects, and with Mother's Day coming up, got a lot of card making to do also. These are going to be perfect. Now, if y'all remember, I did a project using this smaller picture frame, and I have an idea in my head for something else that I want to do with these. That's the plastic 4x6. I found the large one, a 5x7. So I didn't realize they had this 5x7 as well. So I'm thinking, I have an idea in my head of what to do with this to decorate it. So I like that larger one. but the smaller one will be convenient too. But I'm not seeing these as many of these as I used to see. So I think they're a popular item. Okay, what else do I have? Oh my goodness, I forgot. Look, I forgot that these were in the bag too. So yeah, I just went crazy on those gems. More gems. Okay, let me put these aside. I didn't realize I picked up so much. I found this beautiful napkin. Well, actually, Bill found this napkin and he thought I should do something with it. So I said, okay. He put it in the cart. This was not me. This was Bill. So I think when I do this project, I'm going to call it a Bill-inspired project. So I think this will be cute for some of my, it'd be nice on a card, but also for some of my Mod Podge, Decoupage creations. I think this will be perfect. And it's real artsy, and he fell in love with it, and I think I could do something really nice with this. I also found these Afterglow paper clips, and they're like in a, what do you call it? The colors are just like a pastel. It's 250 of them. And so I know a lot of people do a lot of the paper clip type art or like embellishment, paper clip embellishment. So I thought this would come in handy, and especially in these colors. So I got 250 of them for $1. Okay, and I picked up these clips right here. These are actually hair accessories, but I'm looking at them and I think these can be used to hold together a mini book or a mini album, possibly, a band around it. I think I can use this for something. Even the clip would look pretty as an embellishment on something. So I really, really like the way this looks. So you just have to get your craft ideas wherever you find them. And if it happens to be in the hair section and it looks good, I think I can use it. So that's really pretty, and it's got the sparkly stuff on it too. Okay, I also found these grip pens. These are rollerball pens, and everyone was saying, I've heard some stuff about them, so I want to try them out for myself. So if anyone has used these before, let me know. Here's another one. This is ink, R2 Blast, and here's another one called Color Therapy Gel Pens. So I might have to see how they open them up and have y'all see how they work. This is actually, yeah, these are gel pens. I think these are fruit scented gel pens. I didn't see that. I was just looking at the colors. I didn't even see that these were fruit scented. I don't know how I would like those, but grape, blueberry, and strawberry scented ink. Okay, so these are some more gel pens, so I'll have to try those out in a future video. So I thought, you know what, I might as well go ahead and pick up the glitter markers too and see how these work. You know, because we're always looking for ways to cut our expenses when we're crafting, and this might be a great way to do it. And here's some more gel pens by Jot. It's a pack of 8. So we'll see what happens with these. It says smooth writing, soft grip gel pens. So we'll see how these work. So look for that in a future video. Let's see what else I found. I'm just shuffling around here. This is so pretty. Look at this. I couldn't leave it. Be strong and be brave. This is so pretty with the soft feathers and the wood behind it. I'm loving this, but I don't like the frame. So that, I'm gonna have to take this out and maybe have to paint the frame. I don't know, we'll see. But maybe I'll just keep the frame, take the artwork out, do something with the artwork, and then use the frame for something else, do a project. I think that would be fun. But I thought they've been really coming, the artwork inside of these frames at Dollar Tree has been really pretty. And I love words. Once again, be strong and be brave. I could put this in a nicer, maybe a nicer frame and hang it in my craft room. Or I can put it in a nice frame and maybe use it as a gift. Give it as a gift to someone. I think that would be nice too. So we'll see what happens with that. And these little Look at these little pieces of artwork are so pretty. And look at that with the arrow and the nail art, string art. You are loved. Look how pretty that is. And this looks like, oh, it actually has a little stand on it so you can stand it up on your desk. But you can also take this off and use it in another project. So we'll see what happens with that. Sorry if there's a glare on there. Okay, so here's something else that we got at Dollar Tree. And I didn't put this in the cart. Actually, Bill put this in the cart. It's a photo album. It holds 48 pictures. And so Bill put this in the cart. I don't even remember how it got in there, but I remember him admiring it. Oh, I remember, because it matched some napkins. So let me show you what the napkin looks like. He actually realized that this looked like some napkins that I had picked up. Yep, here it is. He thought it looked a lot like these napkins right here. And I actually had them set aside because I was thinking of using them. So I took them out of the... But this is the napkin that I had originally... Actually, Bill actually picked out this napkin. And then we went to another aisle and they had this. So that's how that happened. Because this wasn't a napkin that I would normally use. But once again, this is going to be a Bill-inspired project using this napkin right here. So I picked this up and then he threw this in there too. So, yep. I think Bill is addicted to Dollar Tree. And then last but not least, I found this napkin right here. And this is just so pretty. Let me open this up. This napkin right here, when I saw this, I thought, you know what, this would be great for a card. Oop, let me not cut myself with that. Pull this out so you can see what it looks like. Look at this. Is that not pretty? I like that. To me, it has like a shabby chic look. Here's the other side of it. Let's see what happens with this. Let's see how they have the layout of this. But I fell in love with this. This was like the highlight of the whole the whole trip to Dollar Tree, even though I originally went in there to get some yellow flowers. But this right here, oh my goodness, I love this. Look how pretty that is. So I am going to really enjoy doing a project with this. So I know this wasn't a long Dollar Tree haul, but I hope this gave you some ideas of things that you would like to get at your Dollar Tree. And I do hope that your Dollar Tree has these items. I hope I inspired you to go out to your Dollar Tree or even go to your thrift stores and look for some things and make it something beautiful. So I'll see you real soon, and I'll catch you on the next video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.